bun run. It's basically like a burger with egg and then all the veggies inside plus cheese. So ana itong dilawan karon. We had a full fit before. We had a aloha lift and we had a a squat jump. But this time ato yung dilawan itong one ato na dilawan. And this is basically fun. Atong first burger here at Mushroom Haus. There is a Tambayan Food Park. So it has egg. So the nice thing about this one is wala compromises sa mga bagwa siya meat, but you don't think kung what kakaibaw, di kakaibaw na what din meat. But very filling, very well, humongous, good serving, good price. At the hub, it has all the the veggies, the eggs. So it's really a complete meal. Plus, ang ilang drinks na juice, so healthier than your regular burger places na normally Coke manggina. There, I'm having 4 seasons. So guys, instead of fries, they have the mushroom sticks. So, mushroom cheese sticks ba? Mushroom ang gamit, diba? Full yapon tayo. Crunchy kayo. Ang lamig siya with its kanamang ketchup mayo na sauce. As I said, ang itong drinks dire, it's either pineapple juice or 4 seasons ang apil sa ilang meals. So healthier, guys. Man, if you're looking for a healthier alternative to your favorite burgers, check out Mushroom Haus. And they're open now here in Tambayan Food Park sa mga sa Gapardo diha sa south. Sa tilaw ng Gidmos. Mushroom Haus diri dapita. So mana ninabit ato pangutanon. Interview to gamay ang tagiya ni para may bawa na to their story and to invite you to come here.
Hi, I'm April. I'm the CEO of Haus Burgers and More.
And I'm June. I'm the CTO.
And Mr. Andrew Quiñones is our COO. And he's not around, but yeah.
So,
it's our first day here in Tambayan Food Park, Bulacao Park.
So what makes Mushroom Haus different from other burger places or burger stalls in the city?
So our mushroom burgers are made of mushroom patty. So there's no meat. It's a plant-based snack and it's healthier, it's more eco-friendly, and it's also made more affordable as compared to other healthier alternatives. Because you want a healthy burger na pangmasa bitaw, dili kay siya like super mahal.
Okay, usually ang impression sa mga tao if healthy or plant-based is mahal, but we made it nga affordable siya sa masa. Muna siya.
So karon, how many branches ng Mushroom Haus? So asa sila located?
As of the moment, nata sa Inayawan, nata sa Biasong Talisay sa Osaka Village, Doña Villa Village. Yan, naasad ta sa Flambe Alley at Miria High Street sa Mandawi. Yan, naasad ta sa Jones. Yan, dinhi, Tambayan, Bulacao, Pardo. Upcoming branches naasa Southscape, dire sa Lawaan. Nasad ta sa Anju World, padulong sa Grubhub Anju World. Asa pa? Sa JJ's Food Park, naasa Magikay, Mandawi.
So the next 3 branches are gonna get launched this month.
Oh, this month na, November or maybe early December.
So are you available in delivery?
Yes.
Yes, we're available sa Grab o sa Foodpanda.
And Maxim, just
Sa Maxim po. We will be launching our website. Pwede sad mo maka-order sa website for more freebies. Bago lang may nag-open din sa Tambayan, dire sa Bulacao, Pardo. You can find us here sa stall.
Yes, nasa ground floor. Sa
area. Nami sa tuwa-tuwa dapit nga nami 10% discount good for 1 month. And nasa tay free cheese sticks para sa mga katong ganahan kay mag-selfie with the burgers. Ila lang itag among page and i-present ra nila din sa outlet na sila ay free for cheese sticks, mushroom cheese sticks.
Yeah, so visit us here and we'll be happy to serve our unique and tasty and healthy mushroom burgers to all Cebuanos.
So mana guys, we just had our snacks here at Tambayan Food Park featuring Mushroom Haus Burgers. And you know what? Yeah, amazing get a burger place. We have to support it because I really love the concept, because healthy burgers dayon, at an affordable price. Dayon ko, no compromises on the flavors, no compromises on the taste. So marabag nindot kina concept, which is a nice thing na dapat suportahan yung na concept sa mga Cebuano. And yeah, they're now here at Bulacao, Tambayan Food Park, guys. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you na sa sunod dato ng mga episodes. And let me know asa kumukao next. And man, keep on supporting mga local food sellers og and other local brands. And thank you so much for watching once again, and salamat kay sa pag sa views ninyo, sa comments ninyo, sa likes. Bye bye bye.